Did you know that employee and student IDs can be used for more than opening doors? Smart cards and access control cards can help your organization get actionable data that you can trust. For example, many companies offer free commute solutions such as van pools and shuttle services through third-party transportation providers. But how does your organization know if the commute solutions are being utilized or not? Cloud in Hand allows you to use a mobile device and an RS3 in addition to your new or existing employee ID smart cards to record not just who, but where and when your riders are using the service. Using a database of your employees that can be exported from existing systems, Cloud in Hand can track who is riding and where they got picked up and dropped off. Then you can view your report, see pickup locations on Google Maps, and you can click on pins to see who it was that got picked up and when. This data can be used to incentivize employees, calculate ROI, and audit vendors. Interested in our software solutions and what else they can do? Contact us for more information. Thanks for watching.